Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. Make cute little sachets out of your scrap fabric out of rose and long grain rice. I used rose, but you can use whatever tea. I used just a floral tea. You can use whatever tea you want. It doesn't matter what size you make your sachets. I like a smaller sachet, so I'm gonna make mine this big. I just cut up my scrap fabric and this is the size that I came up with. I'm gonna make a couple because I have a lot of this little scrap fabric, but yeah, it's gonna be a really nice stash buster. I'm just gonna stitch along the edge here and then we're gonna cut off the edge later so it doesn't matter that it's a raw edge. I have to leave a section open for us to stuff it. Come here. I'm gonna stuff the sachet I just made with half of a long grain rice and half of these flowers that I got from Bring Your Own Long Beach. I got roses, but you can use any flower you want. I got the ones that were for tea because then I knew they were safe and they didn't have cooties or anything. This looks about right. This is half flowers, half rice. I'm gonna stir this together and dump it in my sachet. Wish me luck. Mixing them together. I closed this a little bit too much. I'm gonna open it up so I can dump the stuff in there. You don't wanna overfill this because you wanna be able to get this under the machine still. Ooh, I have regrets. I could do it. Go slow, be careful. I'm gonna work smarter, not harder. Yes, I made a paper funnel. Whoa, maybe. It worked, my paper funnel worked. Okay, so now we're gonna sew this edge shut. I have plenty of room to get my foot onto the fabric. Leave some room so you can sew it shut. There, all done. Now I'm gonna get my scalloping shears and cut off this so it doesn't keep fraying forever. And you're done. That's it. It smells super good. I really love it. You can use it for aromatherapy. You can stick it in a drawer. It just smells really good to have around. If you want more clever ideas for different kinds of shapes, look in the description box because I'll put some links to some fun ones. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable, eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye.